think we're just having some musculoskeletal discomfort, tight, achy muscles, just kind of related to some minimal joint degeneration in cervical spine and the lumbar spine.
Great.
All right. Now that we know what's going on, you ready to get adjusted?
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Alright, other side. Okay, cross your arms. Scoot down a little bit. Did you have a spill on a bike?
No, I was in Hawaii snorkeling and
Cool.
North Shore wave just knocked me into a rock.
Ouch. Alright, deep breath and breathe out. There we go. Okay, let's lift your head up a little bit. Okay, let me hold all of your weight. We're gonna roll up and just lay back. Let me lay back all the way. There we go. Let's try a little bit of one more. Alright. On your side facing me. Keep that leg straight. And roll forward a little bit. Alright, other side. Straighten. Free
It's
one.
cracking rain.
Let your body just roll all the way down. Just let it fall. Nice. Alright, sit up.
Oh, it feels good.
Alright, let's go ahead and stand up. How's that feel? Back,
Yeah, all that
all back.
tightness or relief.
Good.
Those was some loud one there.
Yeah.
I can,
Alright, well, we're all set for today.
all right.
Great. Glad you feel a little better. Moving forward,
Mm-hmm.
once to twice a month for kind of this, just general discomfort sort of stuff. Should pretty much keep you feeling pretty comfortable. Should help to start correcting some of these curves going on. As far as cervical strengthening exercises, I would suggest picking up, there's numerous things online that you can look for.
Mm-hmm.
Really resisted rotation, so turning with some resistance. You can get a small exercise ball, put it against a wall and kind of turn into it. Okay, and that'll provide some resistance and help to strengthen. You can do that on both sides. The other is retraction, so pulling your head back so you can put a ball behind your head and retract into it.
Mm-hmm.
And you can do what's called Brugger's relief posture, which is rotating your thumbs backwards all the way. So go ahead and do this with me. So rotate all the way back, pinching your shoulder blades together, pulling down, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then retracting your head like that. Perfect. And you hold that for about 15, 20 seconds, and you do it once an hour, every hour you're awake. So
Okay.
just frequently throughout the day, kind of just recenter yourself, hold it, feel a little achy burniness, the muscles just being activated, get them a little fatigued, and that's it. And just doing that frequently will start to help to train the muscles, improve your tone, and improve your posture. Well, that's going to be primarily geared
Okay.
towards your neck.
Okay.
Yeah, when it comes to the low back, we need to do some exercises that are strengthening the low back a little bit more.
Yeah.
Squats, low back extensions.
Okay.
So if you have a gym membership,
Yeah.
starting to do some of those things, and
Okay.
you can do them numerous ways: dumbbells, barbells,
Good deal.
All
All
right,
right. Thank you.
absolutely.
Thanks for watching the Chiropractic YouTube channel. We hope you enjoyed what you saw and learned something valuable. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable content and hit that bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video. Don't forget to also follow us on our other social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, where we post even more tips and tricks to help you live a healthier life. Also, don't forget to check out our online store where you can find thousands of health and fitness products recommended by Dr. Matt. See you on our next episode.